Hello and welcome to Ricky's Tech Talk Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert your SIM card into the Samsung Galaxy A20e. So we are going to be using To The Moon mobile network that has recently launched here in the UK. First step, make sure your device is powered off. Second step is to use the SIM tool provided. Know the SIM card that needs to go in your device. This is a nano size SIM card, which is the smallest and most commonly used these days. Down the left hand side, there's a little pin hole and your tray is just up here at the top. So I'm just going to put in my pin. Always try and use the SIM tool that's provided. Push that in and the tray will pop out. So it's a dual standby tray. So you've got your SIM card and micro SD card all on one tray here. So To The Moon network, as I mentioned, recently launched here in the UK. So just pop your SIM card out. So we don't need the large one anymore, and you're going to need to pop it out as well. You need the smallest version, so they give you 3. So this is the nano size, then you've got your micro size, and then you've got your standard size. So you have SIM 2, SIM 1 and your micro SD card. So we're going to be using SIM 1. So you can add in another SIM card if you want to. Take your device and replace this back in. Make sure you hold. Power our device on by pressing the button down the right hand side. You're greeted with Samsung Galaxy A20e. In the meantime, if you do have any questions, leave a comment below. And as always, I'll be happy to help. So our device is in the setup and welcome stage here, and you will be able to start to see our mobile signal coming through. And also when it's set up, as yours will be, your mobile network will be able to work and you can go to the moon and enjoy To The Moon mobile network. Like I said, any questions or queries, drop a comment below. In the video description, you will find links to my unboxing and all other videos on the Samsung Galaxy A20e. For me, Ricky, thank you for watching and have a great day.